Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Glad you tuned in. Today you're going to learn how to copy and paste ads and make up to $1,500 per sale. This is the best system out. Watch the whole video. Josh, my business partner, is going to take it away from here.
Hey, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to show you how to copy and paste ads online and make $1,500 per sale. And this has never been done by anybody out there before. This is a brand new method I'm going to show you today. And by the end of this video, you're going to have a six-figure method that you can literally copy and paste in no more than 10 to 15 minutes a day. So before we get into the content, as always, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Right now, we've got 53,000 subscribers, so I appreciate all you loyal fans out there. If you're somebody that's new to the channel, go ahead and slam that red subscribe button, tick the bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them, and go ahead and hit that like button if you're super excited for this content. So let's go ahead and let's talk about, number one, the results that I've gotten just from my own efforts alone over the course of the past year. Now, this has been working for 5 years for me, and it's going to continue to work in 2020, 2021, 2022. So depending on when you're watching this, chances are this method still works because this is a long-term strategy that I'm going to be teaching you how to implement and deploy. So over the course of the past year, from last October 2018 to October 7th today, 2019, $379,000. This is all from free advertising strategies. Yes, you heard it right. Free advertising strategies. And I've taken home, because of course there's merchant fees, you've got, refunds every once in a while. I've netted $332,000 that's actually take home money. So what I want to do is I want to show you this exact strategy, and to show you guys, this is legit. Obviously today, $1,000, yesterday, $204. But let me go ahead and refresh this so you guys can see that this is definitely legitimate. Let me go to the right account. It's going to switch accounts, which takes a minute. $1,000 right here. So let's go ahead and let's show you exactly how you're going to be copying and pasting. Like, what type of ads are you going to be copying and pasting? Well, we're going to be talking about YouTube. Now, most people out there don't want to shoot YouTube videos, so do not worry. You're not going to have to shoot YouTube videos whatsoever. But I'm actually going to allow a select group of people to be able to copy my videos and pass them off as their own and upload them to their own YouTube channels. Now, I've seen people do this on a small scale in the past, and people were able to create wildly successful business from doing that. And this is a great method because most people, they've got a fear of getting on video. And video right now here in 2019, 80% of the traffic on the internet is in fact video traffic. And the great thing about video is there's a lot of transparency with video. With video, you build a relationship so much faster than any other advertising medium, whether it be a Facebook post or an email or posting in a forum. That takes a lot more time to build a relationship. People often, when they see a YouTube video or a video anywhere online, it increases that relationship building process 10x. And you're able to turn somebody from a potential buyer to a buyer much faster than any other, medium out there. And so that's the reason why I've been able to create so much success so quickly inside of my merchant account right here. And so what I wanted to do, because I released programs over, the course of the past 5 years, and I had a lot of successful students, but the problem is most people didn't actually take action because the fears that occurred with creating videos and putting themselves on camera, and people wanted to be more private. And so I wanted to create something new where people could leverage me, leverage my expertise, go into a niche, know nothing about the niche, and leverage my knowledge and be able to copy my knowledge and pretty much inject it into their own YouTube accounts. And so that's what I want to allow you to do. So essentially, all you're going